Shukor na Pynslem jong unong san Hima.
Kajing jele jong ki kam thok kam Shukor pisa, bat ki kam ngop briu, Lyngba ki kor ki bor da kajing erap ke internet, kala jur bha kat badang mi kisngi bat ki por. Henry Lada ki pat ba ki basha thok, ki ajing tep kam kloi shi ki Pulit, la ban le ai ban ya da ya ke pisa jong ki, haswa bakan ja ngai sendon. Bantip kam benya ek jingja sha thok pisa bat ki wei pat ki kam Shukor baki runar kilale Lyngba ke internet na kalyang unong san Hima ulalet banya kendo ya ka special superintendent of police kajala ka Supriya Das IPS hakaba kalaong bakidan kilat jingeram baki pat ba kila banyo haba kila sha pengop haki kam thok kam Shukor da ka baki Pyntip mardor Shah Pulit kalaong baki te ki runar ki baju thok kila ban Shukor ki pat ba da ka ba kila ban phone bat pa ni ki one time password lani OTP kajing le tu da ka ba thok ha OLX ban le man le kumbadi da ki tiar kitar kala ban jaru da kajing baklahi ban pha pisa shikibriu ki bam pat da ithu ithau bha hadien bakila shapan bi da ki tien jali jo bada ki wei pat ki rukom tamba katai ka he Pulit kala ongru baki pat ba kim dei ban tieng ban pendon kam ya ke internet ki hab ban sulong ki bahusiar bat pet ngor kala ong ban lat na ki kam sha thok sha Shukor ki pat ba ki don kam Pyntip ya ki ki ba ki dei ban kiar bat haba ki la ngop ha kajing sha thok ru ki dei ban Pyntip Shah Pulit kala ong baka sarkar India Lyngba ka tanat Ministry of Home Affairs kala pelat ya ka cybercrime bat ka the Citizen Financial Reporting Management System portal ha ka baki pat ba kila ban letru sha ka website kata ka cybercrime.gov.in bat pendap ya ki jingdon kam bat ban ya thu ru ya ka jingja ka ba kila sha thong nangta kin hab ban pha ya ka te ka jing ujor sha ka sarkar India ka ban penpoi sha ka CID jo ka Meghalaya kiban pha ya ki Pulit jong ki thanan ya ka te ka portal hapo ka jala Meghalaya la pelat ha ubanai nailar arjar arhuwei bat nadu ka te ka sngi bala pelat hadu menta lala ban bat ya ka pisa ka badan nyolak arhusan hajar tingka kani ka pisa kadang dan bat ki bang bapher bat an sapan phai she ki try andala yo ya ko hukum na ka yeng bishar bat ka jing tuklar na ki thanat Pulit badai pen kala ong balada ki pat ba ki Pyntip hadien ka arhusaw kan taru ki Pulit ki ale kat bala ban penyo biang ya ka pisa katay ka he Pulit kala ong ru balada ki pat ba ki shem jing Lyngba katay ka portal kila ban phone show number iwei khandai lai not ha ka por shipho baje men stem hadu henri baje janmien ban Pyntip Lada ja bakingat ha ka apot jong ka jing sha thok.
So a very good morning to everyone. We are doing this awareness program on economic and financial crimes so that we can reach out to more people who may fall prey or victim to cases of cheating, fraud, duping, and to reassure them that Meghalaya Police is with them. We have mechanisms in place to help them in such distressful situations. So at the outset, I would want to say that we can never be careful enough or cautious enough when it comes to economic crimes, cases of cheating. Our cybercrime criminals or financial criminals are always inventive, they are creative, and it's a very easy way to cause theft or steal money from you. Today you will get a call asking for your OTP. Tomorrow it might be a fraud on OLX when you're trying to purchase something. Thereafter it might be that you yourself have sent money over or to a friend you have befriended over Facebook or WhatsApp that you don't know in person. So there are different ways that you may fall to a financial crime, and but this does not mean that you should be worried or you should be overly scared from using the internet. There needs to be a balance. You just need to know what things to avoid, and even if you fall prey to such crimes, then you should know whom to approach. Of course, it is Meghalaya Police is there to help you. So I'll just run through the different ways you can come out of a distress situation if you fall in prey to economic or financial crimes. So first of all, Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs has launched a cybercrime and financial reporting portal. It is called the Citizen Financial Reporting Management System portal. It is easily available on cybercrime.gov.in. So you go to this website and look for this portal. Here you put in your basic information, your name, your phone number, or any other contact detail that you would want to give to be contacted, and a basic brief of the case, what has happened to you, how you have been cheated. And then you send it to Government of India and it gets routed to CID Meghalaya, who will immediately ask the nearest police station to contact you so that you can receive help. The best case scenario would be if you put in a report within 24 hours of the economic transaction that has taken place, so that we can immediately freeze your bank account, the bank account of the fraudsters or the dupesters, and we can help in recovering your money. Through this portal, last year we launched this portal in Meghalaya in August 2021, and from then till today we have already recovered over 7,25,000 rupees in less than a year. So if you report on time, if you report within 24 hours, we'll be able to help you recover, if not all, quite a bit of the money that has been transferred. And this is just the amount that we have stopped through the portal. Even if you report after 24 hours, we'll make our utmost efforts to recover the money. And through this, so through our regular investigation, we have from CID Meghalaya been able to recover around 4 lakh rupees, working with Paytm, with PX, with different types of payment wallets and banks. So we are always at it. There are different ways we can recover your money. So do approach your nearest police station or CID Meghalaya, or log in to cybercrime.gov.in. If you find yourself facing any problem on the portal, you're not that tech savvy, we also have a helpline 1930 that is attended to by our operators at CID Meghalaya. So call us at 1930 anytime between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. and hopefully this is also within the golden period, the golden window of 24 hours within the economic transaction. Thank you.